Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I'm making some black bean soup. It's pretty simple actually. I got a cup of chicken stock. I got half cup of cannabis oil. This I used, it wasn't strained, okay? So you've got the keef in there too. Now I'm adding 12 ounces. There's a 24-ounce can, and that's half, of Miller High Life champagne of bottled beers. I remember buying 12 packs of that for $3.49. So anyway, a bay leaf and some chipotle hot sauce, as much as you want. I'm figuring a tablespoon. Pretty good at measuring that out. A couple glugs of Worcestershire. I'm going to stir this. Okay. I'm using some garlic powder as opposed to crushed. There we go, just a touch, maybe a half a teaspoon. And, of course, a grind. I'm not adding any salt because Worcestershire has salt and also the stock is low sodium, okay? Because I like to gauge my own salt. So we got the stock, the cannabis oil, we got the Miller High Life. I grew up on Miller. And I got a can of black beans. Oh, it all came out nice. Okay. So it's not thick like a chili, okay? This is going to take a good hour, okay? Because I want everything to blend in. So while I do that, the magic of TV, because I am a professional, I've got this. That I made, hour and 15 minutes ago. Look how beautiful that is. Let me dish that out. Look at that baby. Oh yeah. I love, I'm not going to keep that bay leaf out, am I? I love the taste of beer in this too. There's nothing like it. I'm gonna put that down here. And I'm gonna give it a very nice dollop of whipped cream. I'm going to try to be a food artist. There we go. A nice dollop of whipped cream. Sorry, sour cream. Not that much of a burnout. Sour cream. Could use creme fraiche too if you wanted. And maybe a tortilla chip, even, if I could find one. There. How's that look? Very inviting and very easy. You too can have a black bean soup in a matter of an hour or so. Yeah, man. So, and it's medicated, and that's always nice. So grab your free e-cookbook. You've seen the graphics. Go to the comment section and go all the way to the top. There's a pinned comment there. Hit the link and you'll get it in about 8 to 18 seconds. Okay? So my dogs love having you here, so do I, poopers. And we will see you next time on hashtag straight poop, because if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.